Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. This is the part 5 of grade 6 chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So far we have covered 4 parts, so please go through the previous videos in order to get connected. So the test for divisibility is checking for some numbers like 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11 like that. So let's check by 10. If the ones place is with a 0 for any number, that number is divisible by 10. For example, 10,000, 3,000. Here the ones place contains 0, hence it is divisible by 10. Next, by 5 means you can check whether the ones place contains 0 or 5. Like the numbers the 10, 15, 25, 3005. If the ones place contains 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. If the ones place contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, like the numbers 24, 68, 30, that number is divisible by 2. If the sum of digits is a multiple of 3, if the sum of digits is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. For example, let's take 24. Here 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 6 is a multiple of 3. 30. 3 plus 0, 3 is a multiple of 3. 27 or 270. 2 plus 7 plus 0 equal to 9. It's a multiple of 3. Hence these numbers are divisible by 3. Now if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 6. So let's take 24 and 30. This is both divisible by, both these numbers are divisible by both 3 and 2. Hence this 24 and 30 are divisible by 6. To check the divisibility by 4, let's take for 3 digit numbers or 3 or more digit numbers, the last 2 digits. If we take the last 2 digits, that should be divisible by 4. Okay, so for example, let's take some number like 212, 3936. Here the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, which means that complete number is divisible by 4. To check the divisibility by 8, let's take 4 or more digits. Then the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Let's take the numbers like 6400. Here the last 3 digits 400 is divisible by 8. Hence we can say that complete number is divisible by 8. To check the divisibility by 9, we have to get the sum of digits. Sum of all the digits in that particular number should be divisible by 9. Let's take 27, 369, 423, 3699. When we take their sums, that should be a multiple of or a divisible by 9. To get the divisibility by 11, we have a small procedure. It's very simple. If we practice for 2-3 big numbers, it is very simple to calculate or to check the divisibility by 11. The procedure is like this. We have to find the difference between, so I will write here B bar W, it indicates between. Okay, we have to find the difference between sum of digits which are placed in the odd places when we count from the right towards left, and also the sum of digits which are placed at the even places from right towards left. If the difference is 0 or 11, then that entire number is divisible by 11. Okay, so we can read it once again. We have to find the difference between sum of digits at odd places from right and sum of digits at even places from right of number. If difference is 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let's take 61,809. The odd places contains 9, 8 and 6, and their sum is 23, and even places 0 and 1. So 23 minus 1 is 22. It's a multiple of 11, or we can say it is divisible by 11. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the next.